Peter Zanini, city manager's office. He is the deputy city manager. Another one. Give him a call.
Thanks for calling city manager's office. This is Gloria. How may I help you?
Gloria, say, is the city manager in today? I need to speak with him. Well, the deputy or Cheryl Scully, if I could.
May I say who's speaking?
Yes, Nathan Miller.
You said, I'm sorry, Miller?
Yes.
Okay, this is in reference to, sir?
Complaints that I have filed and issues that I've had with the city, with the municipal court, with the assistant.
And what, you said it's for a municipal court complaint?
Yes, that and city attorney complaints as well.
Okay, municipal courts has their own, gone real quick, let me see. Let me transfer you to the customer service. That's 207-7080, okay? That is the general number for city manager's office, okay? 1 moment, please.
R&B singer Ruben Studdard will visit the car.
Manager's office. This is Linda. How may I direct your call?
Linda, say, I need to speak with the city manager, if I could, herself. Is she in today or no?
She is, but I don't believe she's available. I can get you to her executive assistant. His name is Rogelio.
Yeah, sure, that'll work.
Just a moment.
Appointments can be scheduled at 2. Good afternoon, city manager's office.
Hello. Say, my name is Nathan Miller. I have filed some complaints against your San Antonio Municipal Court, against the SAPD, and against your city attorney's office because they have been constantly withholding evidence from me. I was traveling through you guys' city, through San Antonio. I was given a ticket that had the wrong name on it, and I tried to request the evidence. All I wanted was a dash cam video and the MDT to defend myself in court. Well, your city attorney's office has been refusing to disclose that information, trying to claim that it's private information when it clearly is not. I made 2 different open records requests. I made a discovery request, and they still got back to me late and still have not given me the evidence. Now, stinking clerk, Fred Garcia Jr. down at your municipal court has maliciously prosecuted me and sent through a suspension against me, a license suspension, when I have not been able to defend myself, and when his office and everybody at the city attorney's office all continue to withhold the evidence that I've legally requested on 3 different occasions. Now, I've tried and tried. I've got the Attorney General's office involved in investigating, and I've also contacted the governor's office and sent them complaints too. They tell me to get a hold of you guys, the city manager, and I had to track you guys down to figure out that Cheryl Scully's actually the final word on this kind of stuff, not the mayor, who I've contacted multiple times. I've tried to get a hold of the chief of police, and I've also called everybody down at the city council's office, and nobody has been. All I get sent to are answering machines, and I keep getting dead ends. Nobody is actually giving me the evidence that I've requested, and now this is becoming much bigger than just me asking for evidence, because these people keep.
Now, who have you spoken with at the mayor's office, sir?
Well, I called. Well, this happened back in May. This happened on May 6th, and I've been trying to get this done.
And then give me your name, if I can have your name.
Yep, Nathan Miller.
Nathan Miller, okay, Mr. Miller. And you said you've spoken spoken with the city attorney's office?
Oh yeah. I've spoken
And
with
who is that you've spoken with?
Charles H. Weir, who won't talk to me anymore. Sam Adams. It got passed off from my whole the whole case and everything got passed off from Charles H. Weir down to the city prosecutor, Jose Nino. He never picked up. I emailed him 3 times and I called him 3 times, and he never got back to me. Never said anything.
What was Jose's last name again?
Jose Nino, Nino.
Nino. Okay.
And then I get sent a letter because they passed it off. I filed a complaint against most of these people because they keep just not giving me what I asked for, and then they pass it off to a Sam Adams, another assistant city attorney, and he just sends me a letter saying, unless I am going to send a check for the total amount due, he has no need to talk to me. And so he's unwilling to even speak with me unless I'm going to just basically say, well, yeah, I'm guilty. When, in fact, the city of San Antonio, they had the wrong name on the ticket. They send mail to my residence up here in Minnesota from that's addressed to somebody that doesn't live here. It's a freaking federal offense to open that, as you know. And
320, is that St. Cloud?
Yes, that is.
Okay. I'm actually going to Minnesota tomorrow.
Oh, really?
So, Nathan, you said that your license has been suspended by Fred Garcia Jr.?
Yes.
And he's in the municipal office?
Yes.
And have you spoken to anyone in municipal court?
Debbie Hamer at the municipal court, the administrator, she won't even pick up the phone anymore. I have to use different phone. I have to call her from a different number in order to get anywhere with her. And I told her, she just takes anything. I call her and I leave a message. I have multiple messages that I've left her, probably 10, and she won't answer my phone call anymore. And she just tells me that, oh, we passed it on to the proper people. But guess what?
Sure. Can you tell me who told you that it needed to be that this is up to the city manager?
I've talked to so many people, I don't remember. I mean, I don't know.
So you're just requesting evidence from when you were stopped on a dashboard camera?
It was the dash cam and the mobile data terminal as well that I was requesting.
Mobile data terminal.
Yes, from 2 hours before and 2 hours after the stop. It's just evidence, but it's obviously becoming a bigger deal than that.
Okay, and so you're just requesting the dash cam and the mobile data terminal evidence. Okay, and you said that this should be made available to you to prove your case.
Absolutely, yes.
Okay, and so basically this was just a traffic violation.
Yeah, that's all it was. It was a speeding ticket.
This was on May 6th?
And yes, on May 6th, it was a speeding ticket. I have all 3 case numbers here, if you want them.
Yeah, give them to me,
I've got
please.
the open records reference number is W as in William 015498-051413. And it was Janie Gutierrez in the open records liaison and Sergeant Mark Greff in SAPD, who did not respond to me and get back to me.
What was his name?
What was that?
What was his name?
Sergeant Mark Greff. I called him up. He's the one that, when I filed the complaint, the original complaint, he's the one that responded to me, but I tried calling him back a few times, and he sent the letter to me, but he never got back to me.
What's the other case number?
Citation number is S, as in Samuel, S165014A, and then I've got a case number that's been assigned, as in B Bravo 1489237.
Okay, the second one is S1650148.
5014. No, sorry, 14A as in Alpha.
148. Okay, I'm sorry. And then you said the case number is B1489237.
9237. Yes.
Okay. Now what I can do is, I don't know. I think let me just do some backtracking and see what it is that I can find. But just so that we're clear, is that you're requesting the evidence from the dash cam and the mobile data terminal.
Yes.
And as of to date, your license has been suspended by the municipal court.
Well, yeah, they sent through. It says This is the last letter I received on September 4th from them. It
September
says,
4th, okay.
Yep, it says, you have failed to respond to citation described, which I have responded multiple times, in this notice by appearing in court, entering a plea and or paying the fine and costs within the prescribed time limit. Failure to appear to remit the fine and costs, verified check, money order, yada yada, to the court date within 30 days from the date of this notice will result in notifying the licensing authority in your state to suspend your driver's license.
Okay. Now, sir, I've taken down this information. I'm going to see what information I can find. I have your number as 320-336-9514.
Yes, sir.
What is your email address?
You can get a hold of me at republicofhonor@aol.com.
republicofhonor@aol.com. Okay, I just
Yep.
want to have your email address just in case. And then I'm going to transfer you to Norma. Let's see, Norma Arias. No, that's not her. It's Morales.
No.
Her name is Norma Morales Arias. She's with the municipal court, and I've taken down your information, but let's see if she's in her office and you can reach out to her.
All right.
But in this case, I have your contact information, and I'll see what I can do.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Nathan.
Yep.
Please hold.
SanAntonio.gov/HR/job.
This is Norma. May I help you?
Norma, hello. My name is Nathan Miller. I've been trying to get a hold of people at the municipal
How may I
court
help you?
down in San Antonio.
Yes, sir.
I would like to know why I was sent a license suspension during an investigation when I'm trying to get the information from the San Antonio attorney's office, the city attorney. I still haven't got my evidence that I've legally requested 3 different times, and now your clerk down there, Fred Garcia Jr., has sent out a license suspension. What is that all about?
I don't know, Mr. Miller, but we can try to find out for you. Have
Well-
you received anything from us?
Well, yeah, I received this right here, this letter. I got a hold of Debbie Hamer on the 3rd of September, asking her if anything's going on with my license, if there's been a bench warrant or anything sent out. She said, as of now, there hasn't. Well, the next day, they type up this letter and send...
Who's the letter from?
It's stamped Municipal Court Clerk, San Antonio, Texas, Fred Garcia Jr. The letter
Well, I can check on that for you, Mr. Miller. Otherwise, you can communicate with us in writing to the court, but I can find out about that for you.
And I did. I sent a complaint. Yeah, I filed a complaint,
Okay.
and I sent it to Judge John Bull, the presiding judge, and I sent a copy to the Attorney General, a copy to the Office of the Governor, and a copy to Fred Garcia himself. So
Yes, sir.
I don't know. I don't understand why. I mean,
Did you receive anything from the presiding judge?
No, not yet. I sent it right away last week on Friday or whatever. Or Thursday,
Okay.
Thursday or Friday. Here, let me see here.
Is there a number where we can reach you so I can check on the suspension letter you received?
Yes, it's 320-336.
Yes, sir.
9514. But see, here's the deal, though, is I've tried to contact Debbie Hamer multiple times, and she won't pick up the phone anymore. That's the person I've been working with. I think when I first talked to you guys, you said that you knew each other, but she won't even answer the phone, and she won't get back to me anymore at all. And so now I had to get a hold of the city manager in order to get to you.
Okay. Well, let me see what I can find out for you then.
Okay. Well, are you actually gonna? Here's the deal. Debbie said the same stuff, and she never got back to me. She wrote me one email response, and then when I'd call her back, she never got back to me. Are you actually going to call me back?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.